Amazon has officially started making their own PC parts.
Amazon making PC parts makes absolutely no sense, especially CPU coolers. CPU coolers are something that you either spend a decent amount of money on or just use the one that comes with your CPU. What I'm wondering is if Amazon's actually trying to get into PC part space, what are they going to make next? I'm sure they can make a PC case, that's not hard to do, but like they're not going to make RAM, they can't make CPUs obviously, they can't really make storage. Nobody's going to buy an Amazon Basics GPU.